very welcome to you all, a very warm welcome. I am your host for the evening. My name is Neela, and welcome for the season 4 of Mr. Pune Pride 2021, Miss and Mrs. Pune Pride 2021, Master and Missy Pune Pride 2021, and Business Pride Award 2021, brought to you by SIPA and J4E. Our exclusive partner is Nirvana Herbals. So everybody ready? Sagre tayar hai? Sab tayar? Contestants ready? I see all these beautiful ladies and kids, getting ready. It feels so nice, and everybody's getting ready and prepped, and the kind of confidence you ladies have, I must say, a big salute. Let's give a big round of applause to all the ladies, all the contestants, all the kids who are participating today. This is the 4th season. We have been having successful 3 seasons. What a journey this has been, right? Vishal sir, Sahil sir, it's all because of your efforts. You're thinking that we have this 4th season here today, and this is going to be such a grand success once again. Well, we will be soon starting with our fashion show. I request all the contestants to please be ready. It's a kind request to all the contestants to please be ready. और बताइए, न्यू ईयर आने वाला है, क्रिसमस टाइम है. आई नो 2 years हैव बीन अ वेरी डिफिकल्ट थैंक्स टू कोविड, बट कैसा लग रहा है आज सबको? फाइनली यू आर आउट देयर, फाइनली देयर इज लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स हैपनिंग, देयर आर लॉट ऑफ इवेंट्स हैपनिंग. अच्छा लग रहा है सबको बाहर निकल के सोशलाइज करके? फॉर अ चेंज हाँ, मुझे भी बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, बिकॉज 2 years everything was online. It feels so great. We are at this property, this beautiful property, and we are having this mega event. It feels nice. Let's make this a memorable one for each and every contestant, for each and every viewer who is there today. I hope you all enjoy this evening as much as I do. I'll try and make sure that you have a great and a gala time ahead. Thank you so much. Now we are going to have the grand opening of this mega event, and I would like to call upon stage Mr. Sahil Shah, founder, director, SIPA, and Mr. Vishal Methi, founder, J4E. Can we have a big round of applause for Mr. Sahil and Mr. Vishal, please? Well, they both don't need any special introduction. We all know them, but still, Mr. Sahil has been in this event industry and the entertainment industry for a very long time. Very well known production designer, celebrity manager, product branding person, and Sahil Shah is the chief choreographer for Glad Rags India Fashion Pune show in 2013. He's a Reebok certified fitness instructor, winner of Boogie Woogie in 2003. Winner of Kuch Kar Dikhana Hai in 2004. He has also directed a documentary film, Agarwal Brotherhood, and he's also choreographed a Marathi movie, Zindagi Marathon. My God, what an achievement, what a choreograph. Let's welcome Mr. Sahil and Mr. Vishal Methi on the stage. Can we please have you on the stage, please? Mr. Vishal Methi is the founder of J4E. Well, J4E itself is a very big brand. Thank you so much for coming on the stage, sir. Well, I would request you to speak a few words. Yes, of course. इनका बात करना बनता है. He is such an inspiring person. So please, can you please speak a few words?
Thank you so much, first of all of you for, am I audible? Okay. First of all, thank you so much, all of you, for joining and making this event such a wonderful event. And regarding J4E, J4E is a community of entrepreneurs We believe that it is really important to support the startups, MSME, and entrepreneurs because they are the backbone of economy. The more we support startups, indirectly we are supporting the Indian economy. So I can just request all of you, whenever you find any startups, try to avail the services from them. That's it. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thanks. That's it. Thank you.
That is such a noble thought, sir. Yes, empowering the startups, empowering the economy, and taking it to the new heights. You certainly have a very big vision in mind, sir. I must thank you a lot for that. And I would request you to please be seated. Thank you so much. And before we begin with the fashion show, and I would like to have, I would request you to have a look at this SIPA showreel, which is a very special one, especially for you all. Can we have the showreel, please? Some amazing jury for this event. This panel of juries is known very well in Pune. They have been in this industry for a very long time. I know you all will be excited to know who are these judges, but you won't have to wait for a long time. It's not that far. The show is about to begin, and I can see the contestants lined up here. Everybody is ready. Everybody ready? Yes, hold on. Yes, can we have that noise? थोड़ा शोर चाहिए. How's the Josh, guys? How's the Josh? Yes, this is what we exactly want, right? यही तो चाहिए. At the end of the day, this is what we want. Lot of energy, lot of happiness, lot of fun. This is what this event is all about. This is all about creating memories and being there and enjoying enjoying every moment of being here. Well, that was an amazing showreel, wasn't it? So, moving next. Well, the moment you all have been waiting for, जिस चीज़ का आप बेसब्री से इंतजार कर रहे थे, the fashion show is about to begin, and as promised, we have this wonderful panel of judges today. Let me introduce you to our panel of judges first, and I would request them to please come out on stage, and I would request Sahil sir and Vishal sir to please come on stage and felicitate our judges for today. Our first judge is Namrata Dubey. Born with a charm and elegance, the diva inspires many and is looked up as a role model in her real life. Her accomplishments are phenomenal, but less than her ravishing personality. She is a winner of Mrs. West India, Mrs. Style Icon, celebrity guest for more than 50 events, worked for the Bombay Times fashion show as the showstopper, worked for UNI International Fashion Week as a showstopper, and many more. List is limitless. Also, she's won award for Lokmat Women Achievers of Pune, Bharat Excellence Award, Surya Siddhi Excellence Award, and featured on the cover of national and international fashion magazines. Could I please request Namrata Dubey to please come up on the stage? Also, we have our second judge for tonight. Our second judge for tonight is Payal Pramanik. She says, in my initial attempt to walk the ramp, I am proud to say that I failed not just once, but many a times, and year after year, from 2009 to 2016. Each time I failed, I found a new way to succeed. Finally, with my continuous efforts and overcoming criticism, I won the Mrs. Pune Style Icon in 2017. And then, since then, she's never looked back. She's the first and only National Director of India for United Nations, winner of Mrs. United Nations Elite Ambassador 2018, Mrs. Asia Goodwill International 2018, and many more. Currently an international pageant coach and groomer, and our judge for tonight, Payal Pramanik. Please welcome Payal on stage. Thank you so much, ma'am. And our third judge for tonight is the very famous fashion designer, a celebrity fashion designer, Naz Sheikh Khan. Naz, can we please have you on the stage? She's styled a lot of Bollywood celebrities. The list is limitless, endless list. Thank you so much. We have these beautiful ladies today. What an inspiring journey for all these three beautiful yet very empowered women. Let's give a big round of applause. तालियां बजती रहनी चाहिए. We are glad that we have you as our judges for today. Thank you so much, ladies. I would please request you to have your seats. I'm sure our contestants are going to be really enthusiastic how this is going to go forward. We are looking forward for a great show. And now is the time to begin with our first round, the first round of Indo-Western wear round. The first round, we will be starting with Miss and Mrs. Design, and the clothes have been designed by the Ace fashion designer, by Sakshi. Her brand name is the Ace, and she is an Ace stylist. So let's welcome the first round. For the first round, let's welcome Miss and Mrs. contestants on the stage, please. The costumes for this round have been designed for Miss and Mrs. have been designed by Sakshi from the Ace.
Patellena चलूं डेट पे हाँ नहीं सुनना तुझसे ना उसमें है नहीं दिल मेरा मनारी मनहारी सुकुमाली नंबर तुम्बा दिल तुझ पे है फिदा नहीं सुनता दिल मेरा मनारी मनहारी सुकुमाली नंबर तुम्बा बस तेरा है गौर से सुन मेरे स्टार क्या कह रहा है जब से देखा है आंखों ने तुझको दिल और दिमाग में बस तेरा चेहरा है जब भी तू बोलेगी मिलने मैं आऊंगा अब से मैं गाने से तेरे लिए गाऊंगा आने की दोस्त मैं दूर नहीं जाऊंगा लंका से तुझको इंडिया लाऊंगा नहीं सुनना तुझसे ना पागल है दिल मेरा मनारी मनहारी सुकुमाली नंबर तुम्बा दिल तुझ पे है फिदा नहीं सुनता दिल मेरा मनारी मनहारी सुकुमाली नंबर तुम्बा
Catalina, Wanari, Manahari, Sukumali, Nubatama, Talaga Madavatuna, Urupe Makapatalina, Wanari, Manahari, Sukumali, Nubatama, Manike, Makehite, Urupe Makapatalina, Hite, Tuenura, Hengumiami, Avilevi. Numbena ke magenet neha me hayavi si baby ma talaga madavatuna urupe me kapatalena wanari manahari sukumali nubatama talaga madavatuna urupe me kapatalena wanari manahari sukumali nubatama manike
na wangu kate hito nuba mage mahengu ale nubatama valangu manike venna patawa sunangu game kata karma kella hita vela nube ruwata billa neti neta gatama alla mage hitat naha matama mella kella vela mage hita pattu venna wada tawa tika kikku mata pissu tada venna vidiyata gassu oya dunna ingiyata mattu bambareki mamatatu issu oya wada karagena rasuroten hita ar gatu bambara
talaga madavatuna urupe me kapatalena wanari manahari sukumali nubatama talaga madavatuna urupe me kapatalena wanari manahari sukumali nubatama manike magehite tuenura hengumyavi avilevi neriye numbena ke magenet neha me hayavi si baby ma talaga madavatuna urupe me kapatalena wanari manahari sukumali nubatama talaga madavatuna urupe me kapatalena wanari manahari sukumali nubatama manike magehite
Check. Well, what a fabulous performance. performance by all the contestants. Can we have a very big round of applause, please? तालियां बजती रहनी चाहिए, आवाज एक नहीं है, पूरे कर। एक जबरदस्त असा फॅशन राउंड, अमेझिंग कलेक्शन ऑफ आउटफिट्स. एकदा डिझायनर साक्षीसाठी जोरदार टाळ्या व्हायला हव्यात. Sakshi, you've done a great job. Well, after this, I would like to call on stage our guest for tonight, the famous Marathi actor Girish Pardeshi. He's here with us in this mega event. I would like to introduce him. He's done many famous TV shows on Zee Marathi and many famous films like For Hinchi Patlin. एकदा त्यांच्यासाठी जोरदार टाळ्या व्हायला हव्यात. Girish sir, I would request Sahil sir to please come up on stage. Sahil sir, Girish. Yes, we have Sahil sir on the stage. गिरीश सर, खूप बरं वाटतंय आज तुम्हाला इथं पाहून. तुम्हाला कसं वाटतंय आज या मेगा इव्हेंटला येऊन?
When I was told about this event by Sahil and his team, I was very curious, and with that curiosity I have come here because all the contestants and the dresses are looking amazing. They are just rocking, and I'm curious to know what and how this contest develops and who grows and who wins. I'm going to watch everything with a lot of excitement, and I wish all the contestants all the best, because this event is going to make their careers grow on a faster level. This event will certainly help their career and enhance their careers. All the best, guys. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Girish sir. I would request you to please be seated. Well, ऐकलं ना तुम्ही? सुना आप सबने? There is going to be something big happening. आणि आजच्या या ताबडतोड परफॉर्मन्सेस नंतर नेक्स्ट राउंड असणार आहे इंडियन वेअरचा, लहान मुलांचा. Can we please have the kids on stage? Thank you so much, ladies. The Indian wear round has been designed by the ace fashion designer Srishti Rohra from Manda Design Studio. All the outfits for the Indian wear round have been designed by Srishti Rohra from Manda Design Studio, and our exclusive partner for today's event is Nirvana Herbals.
Change it now and tell them now.
नहीं करते हैं ना, बच्चों को नहीं ला सकते क्या?
बच्चों का है.
अरे फिर इंट्रोडक्शन कैसे देंगे?
Call them ना, आपका बच्चों का भी call them. We can say कि बच्चे ready नहीं है तो we are calling the girls for introduction. Our Miss.
अपना माइक ऑफ करके रखिए, क्या आपको जो आवाज
Check. Well, before we start with the kids round, we are going to have introduction of all. We are going to have the introduction for the contestants from the Miss category. Can we have the contestants on stage, please, one by one? Can we have the music, please?
Stand by, here we go again. Just special, girl, I'm just your friend. I bet you can't recall my name. I think about you every day, 24/7, girl, in every way. Try to move on, but what can I say? Oh, what else can you take? Guess I did this when I should have done that. I'm trying to be smart, but I want you so bad. You never needed, but you never ever had. I just can't get enough. Just when it looks like I'm gonna get close, my lips mess up and the words don't flow. I just can't wait till you're freaking me frequently, baby, cause I can't get enough. Now I'm choked up, like I was sleeping and should've woke up. Don't let it end like this. Word of mouth that you broke up. Wear around, keep your hopes up. I'll be around and baby, you know what? I'm begging to hurt you. Can't resist. Try to be smart, but I want you so
पहचान है, खुदा मेरे साथ है, मंजिल मेरी कामयाबी है, उसे पाना मेरा काम है. Namaste. My name is Prachi Vishwas Deshmukh. I am a fashion designer. My inspiration, my motivation, my strength is my family because they always support me and trust me. मैं चमत्कार पे नहीं, मेहनत पे विश्वास रखती हूँ. जो मेहनत करता है, कामयाब ज़रूर होता है. Life is definitely not easy. So for you, the only message I would like to say is, don't give up on your passion. Stick to your goals and always follow your dreams. One day, you will definitely achieve your goal. Thank you. Well, confidence and grace speaks that all. Can we have the next contestant, please? तालियां बजती रहनी चाहिए. Let's have a big round of applause.
Good evening to one and all. Good evening, judges. I am Bhavika Tirekar, belonging from the land of spirituality, that is Shirdi, as well as the land of farming. Proud to say I am a daughter of a farmer. Being from a small town has never stopped me to dream big and chase my passions. I am here to be the best version of myself and to be the source of inspiration to other girls out there like me who belong from a small town. One thing I would like to change in my country is Bhagavad Gita should be included in our Indian education system for the development of our upcoming generations. Thank you for listening me. Thank you, audience. Thank you, judges.
Well, what a noble thought and a great idea as well, including Bhagavad Gita in our curriculum. Can we have the next contestant, please?
Good evening, everyone. It's Tejashree. I'm professional banker. I'm also associated with an NGO. My parents and my mentors helped me to shape into the person what I am today. I feel everyone should believe in oneself, respect all life patterns, and take care of their parents in all circumstances. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you, Tejashree, for that wonderful introduction. Can we have the next contestant, please?
Thank you. Hello everyone. ख्वाहिशें मेरी अधूरी सही पर कोशिशें मैं पूरी करती हूँ. It's Snehal Shirsat. I am fashion designing student. My fashion is modeling, dancing, sketching. Success is the happiness is the not is success is the not is happiness. Happiness is the success. Thank you.
Gumiami, Evi Levi. Teriye numbe na ke, magenenne hame hayami. Si baby.
मैं पीता नहीं मुझे नशा बस तेरा है कौन सा सुपर स्टार क्या कह रहा है जब से देखा इन आंखों ने तुझको दिल और दिमाग में बस तेरा चेहरा है.
Thank you. Can we have the next contestant on stage, please?
मैं आऊंगा आपसे मैं गाने से तेरे लिए गाऊंगा आने दे दोस्त मैं दूर नहीं जाऊंगा लंका से तुझको इंडिया लाऊंगा नहीं सुनना तुझसे ना पागल है दिल.
Where there is love, there is life. My name is Shahat Batav. My hobbies are to dance and play badminton. My dream is to travel around the world and see all the corners and do and achieve all the goals. As my name goes Shahat, which means love and affection, my message is that spread love and help others when they are needed. No matter how much educated, talented, or rich you are, the way you treat people tells your integrity. Thank you.
रुआनारी मनहारी सुकुमाली नमतुंबा दिल तुझ पे है फिदा नहीं सुनता दिल मेरा रुआनारी मनहारी सुकुमाली नमतुंबा
Ke mage hite, tuwe nura hai Gumiami, Evi Levi. Teriye numbe na ke, magenenne hame hayami. Si baby. Dalanga madavatena, guru prema kapatalena. Ruanari manahari sukumali numbatama. Dalanga madavatena, guru prema kapatalena. Ruanari manahari sukumali numbatama. Manike mage hite. Prema kapatalena hite. Tuwe nura hai Gumiami, Evi Levi. Teriye numbe na ke, magenenne.
How are you all feeling? कुछ लग नहीं रहा है? मम हो गए बिल्कुल फैशन शो देख के, इंट्रोडक्शन देख के. क्या? I want to know how you all are feeling. Should we continue or not? By the way, I am Amruta Patil Mishra. So I'm just here for a few minutes by the time we are deciding the next program. So I call upon stage Mr. Sahil Sa, the organizer of this Mrs. and Miss and Master and Missy Pune Pride, which has been going on since 2018. So we have had almost 4 seasons of Pune Pride and 1 of India Pride. So the founder himself, Mr. Sahil Sa, please come up on the stage. Sahil. I guess this is just a big extended family of Sahil that we are here. I really feel that I am here in a family function. So we are going to welcome another esteemed guest. You know here, Mr. Ajay Thakur. He has been credited for launching the first SME and startup stock exchange under BSE. Both the platforms have become highly successful. He, along with his team, has conducted almost 2,500 awareness programs, which is very much needed today, the country, and met 35,000 SME promoters. Under his leadership, BSE has signed MOU with various state governments and institutions to create awareness about the benefits of fundraising through these platforms of BSE. A big hand for Mr. Ajay Thakur. Such a wonderful guest list we have here. And you all should be clapping, 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 and clapping so that you have your happy hormones rushing in your body, people. Thank you, sir. And I request you to stay here because we are going to have some awards. I request the next guest, I invite him on the stage, Mr. Neeraj Kudare. He is, okay, thank you, sir, already here. So let me introduce Mr. Neeraj Kudare, MD ACE Kudare Group. He is Managing Director of ACE Kudare Group. He is serving Pune since 1932. This company is here since 1932. So even before the freedom, they had such amazing foresightedness. He is authorized dealer for Maruti, Hero, Firefox and Lectro. Suzuki two-wheelers, Yo bikes, Miracle 5 e-scooters and Bajoria rickshaws and Nilkamal furniture. So they have grown with time and they have this modern outlook of reducing pollution. So they have introduced e-rickshaws and e-scooters also. So a big hand to him. I don't want the claps to be stopped, okay? Our next special guest is Mr. Mahendra Lunia. Mr. Mahendra Lunia, I call upon you on the stage. He is the CEO of Vignaharta Gold Limited. Mahendra Lunia is the chairman of Vignaharta Gold Limited. He has over 20 years of experience in investing in stock market and is an expert in digital gold. So the new age investment, digital gold. Mr. Mahendra Lunia, please give him a big hand. So we are really lucky to have such foresighted leaders in various fields of investment, stocks, gold, and also the motor options that have been given to us. So I request you to please say a few words, and I request you all to stay on the stage.
Very good evening to all of you. Very good evening to all of you. Frankly speaking, it's a pleasure for me to be here. And first time I am coming to a fashion show. So I don't know anything about the fashion, but for me, all the women are beautiful.
Thank you, sir.
And a country of Durga Kali, I think women must get importance and must be empowered going forward. As Bombay Stock Exchange, I have been always talking about wealth creation, and wealth creation, and always try to promote the entrepreneurs and the promoters. And let me tell you, with this thing in mind, I have started the first ever SME exchange in India way back in 2012. And 356 companies got listed. Few companies are from Pune also. And these 356 companies have created a value of 42,500 crores. And out of these few companies, there are few women entrepreneurs also. So of course, with fashion, and I think that most of the people choose their, passion, choose their field. I think some ladies choose the field of fashion also. And here also there is a lot of scope. So I'm quite sure that going forward, the women also create huge wealth in this country and huge employment. So with these words, thanks a lot to all of you, and thanks to the organizers. Wish you all the best. Thank you.
Thank you, Ajay, sir. And really, here, if you see, it is like a powerful woman over here. And what they are not mainly into fashion. You will find that their main income or their main profession is something else. And this is just inbuilt woman-like feeling, that doesn't go at all. So the passion for fashion and beauty. Thank you, sir. I request Neeraj Kudare, sir, to speak.
Good evening, everybody. Good evening. Yes, I hope you all are all enjoying the fashion show. It has been very well put up by my friends Sahil and Vishal. I'm just here to support them. We at Eskuday Group, we are trying to help Pune city for their mobility solutions in the form of cycles, e-scooters, e-motorcycles, e-rickshaws, your CNG vehicles, Maruti cars. So let's all enjoy this evening once again. So thank you once again, Vishal and Sahil, for having me here. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. We have Mr. Deepak Kudale, who is present here to bless us with his presence and give us some more motivation. So I call him upon the stage. So yes, big hands, welcoming Mr. Deepak Kudale. Yes, sir. Everyone, please, a big hand and let the music go because he's walking the ramp. Mahendra, sir, a few words. Mahendra, sir.
सलील सर और विशाल जी, थैंक यू, आपने मुझे यहाँ पे आने का और मुझे यहाँ पे बुलाया, आपने मौका दिया बात करने का। मैं महेंद्र लुनिया, जैसे कि आप सभी को बताया इन्होंने, मैं डिजिटली गोल्ड ट्रेडिंग में हूँ। यस, महिलाएं हैं और गोल्ड की बात ना हो तो हो नहीं सकता। और यहाँ पर आपको बता दूँ कि आप हमारे साथ गोल्ड बुकिंग कर सकते हो, डिपॉजिट कर सकते हो, हम डिजिटली में काम करते हैं। थैंक यू विशाल फॉर दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी एंड साहिल जी फॉर दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी। थैंक यू।
Thank you, sir. Now, Deepak, sir, a few words.
दोनों साथ में ये तो अच्छा रहेगा। और आओ। Good evening, everybody. My left and right hand, they are the celebrities, really speaking. So what we are supporting you, giving you all the best. The fashion shows which we have seen is wonderful. All charming ladies, all the best to you. You are pride of Pune. So we are very happy to note on this occasion that this is a very, very remote event place. On the top of that, you all have succeeded in bringing such a big audience. So all the best again. Enjoy the evening. Thank you.
So all are motivated and charmed up because of the words, motivating words, and so much, women powering, empowering things we are having here today. Now we have people who have done amazing work in their field of business, and they are going to be recognized for the work that they have put in, the hard work they have put in, and the career and the business empire that they have built. The first awardee of the evening is Mr. Surya Pujari. A big hand to Surya Pujari. The applause should continue. And I call upon Mr. Mahendra Lunia to give him the award. Mr. Surya Pujari is here.
Mahendra Lunia and Ajay Thakur should be always
Big hands. So Surya sir, we would like to know the word of inspiration, what inspires you to do this amazing work and your journey till now.
I am Surya Pujari. I am founder of Farm Station, and I will promise that I will give you the best organic experience you will get for the rest of the stay on this planet. I am basically into organic farming, and we help people to grow their own vegetable gardens in their own terraces, in their own bungalow plots, and even in their terraces. So what I want you to do is get this organic experience so that when you grow like me, I am 73 years young, so you remain young even at the age of 100, and enjoy life the way I am doing it. Thank you, and God bless you all.
Sir, this is for you.
Amazing to know, and that your health and your fitness itself shows how organic the vegetables and amazing they will be. I guess I'll be the first one to contact you, and you all also should get motivated, and that is, you know, the secret of fitness actually, and even staying beautiful. So thank you, Surya Pujari sir. Thanks a lot. A big work that he's putting in, which is the need of the time, because this is what is needed for the planet now. Our next winner of the award for amazing work is Dipali. Dipali, I call you on the stage to receive the award, and I call upon Mr. Ajay Thakur to please give her the award. Dipali, do we have Dipali?
Yeah, she's coming.
Yes, come on, big round of applause. There she is. Everyone, please clap your hands because she is there approaching the stage, and I'm really eager to hear how she has been putting her efforts all throughout her life. Yes, Dipali, a big smile and big round of applause. Come on, everyone. Ajay sir. The award and the efforts put in should be felt and should be rewarded by clapping your hands. Dipali Bora is the founder of Brick A Brack, Little Chocolate Delight. Okay, wow, that's so sweet. She has been conducting hobby classes for 25 years now. Good. So you started long back. Yeah. When chocolate was not, you know, much into a trend. Good. Through this, she has also been into handmade chocolate for 15 plus years. She has been associated with Mrs. Vandana Chauhan, Mayor. She's the MP now for social activities. And today she comes with a very strong mission of uplifting underprivileged women by offering them a respectful job. That's amazing. Great. So doing something for yourself and then, getting out of the limit and then doing it for other people who really need to be uplifted. It is really a great work and it needs a great mindset. Amazing, amazing. She makes, what is this? Guilt-free, healthy benefiting chocolates. I would like to know the recipe. Suitable for small children and elderly citizens. She offers customization for any type of chocolates. Getting your name on it so we can have it as a gift. So Brick A Brack makes it. So she is Dipali Bora, a self-made woman, and giving other ladies an opportunity to become amazing in their lives. So I would really like to know how they are like healthy.
Yeah, so healthy is like usually we don't give chocolates to our kids as it's said that chocolates are not good for health. So we make chocolates which has ingredients which are healthy, as we have dry fruits, so mothers are happy to give them to the kids and kids are happy to have them as a chocolate. And similarly, we make chocolates suitable for elderly citizens, wherein, everyday eating that health sort of food or fiber and all. So we make chocolates suitable according to them also. So energy bars and many other our own recipes, which are usually not available in the market. So you can always contact me for this. Thank you.
Superb, Dipali ma'am. Congratulations. Amazing. So we have Shabana. She is going to speak few words with us, inspiring us more.
मुझे यहाँ स्टेज पे देख के तो आपको सबको समझ में आ ही गया होगा कि मैडम के सोशल एक्टिविटी के बारे में, इसलिए मैं इनका बहुत ज़्यादा शुक्रिया अदा करती हूँ और इन्होंने मेरे को यहाँ तक लाया है, ये और आगे तक जाए, यही मेरी दुआ है.
What a wonderful thing. Great. Congratulations, Deepali ma'am. Our next awardee of the evening is Vasanti. I call upon stage Vasanti to receive the award for all the hard work that she has been putting in. Vasanti, yes, she is approaching and I want the claps. Everyone, क्या चाहिए energy के लिए? Music and claps. Yes, ma'am. Congratulations, Vasanti ma'am. And I request Ajay sir to please give Vasanti the award, present her the award for the work that she has been doing. Congratulations. Congratulations, Vasanti ma'am. I would request Vasanti ma'am to tell us about the inspiring journey.
Thank you Sifa and J4E. I am here just because of the mentors who are behind me, like Mahendra Lunia, Vishal Methi, Sahil. The community when we grow for the woman empowerment. I started my business with the concept of the maternity gap and the inspiration for the maternity bounce back career, and that's why I am here. And definitely I'm committing to my society कि this is my aspiration to women empowerment and rural privilege society members there. Thank you J4E and Sifa. Yeah.
Great, Vasanti ma'am, you are an inspiration and I hope lot of such stories will come up this evening. Our next eminent personality who is receiving the next award is Mr. Sachin Patil. I call upon stage Mr. Sachin Patil to share us all the positive vibes and inspiration that he's been finding in his life so that he achieved such big heights. Congratulations, Mr. Sachin Patil. Congratulations, sir. And the big hands, the big applause should continue. Congratulations, sir. And we would like to hear your amazing journey.
Hi, good evening. My name is Sachin Patil and I'm a graduate in civil engineer. Actually, I came to Pune just to do the MPSC, but as I graduated in civil engineering, so I decided not to do the MPSC and I started doing the work in my industry like civil engineering. So I had done the job for around 13-14 years and I left that job and I started my own company. My company name is IDSS Global. My company is in Pimple Saudagar. We are mostly dealing in the lightning protection. Lightning protection means we are not taking the precautions in India, but in other overseas countries like high-rise buildings in Dubai, they are taking the precaution of lightning protection over there. So my main business is in that area, and I am really thank you that you guys are invited me for this function. Thank you.
Thank you, Sachin sir, and the work that you are doing is amazing because there are a lot of people who fall prey to these kind of unprotected electric work that happen, and he's really putting a great effort in avoiding those things. So more life, more helping hands we have here, and I hope you are feeling inspired. Our next awardee, the next award goes to Prantik. So we call upon Prantik on stage to be awarded for all the work that is. So amazing energy. Congratulations, Prantik. So the faster he came, even the louder your applause should be. Did you see his energy? It was amazing. So you all show some. Congratulations, Prantik. And we would like to hear you tell us about your journey.
Good evening. I'm Prantik. I'm basically into trainings, and my work basically lies in empowering people, empowering the organization become more productive and increase their sales. And I'm also a parenting coach, so I help parents to become much more better parent for their children. मैं बच्चों को अपने पेरेंट्स से बचाता हूँ. So that's what I do, and that's my journey from last 14 years. I just help people become more happy, more enjoyable, and healthier. Thank you so much.
So Prantik, it reflects in your personality. Good to know this. And yes, so our next program, I really thank Mahendra sir, Ajay sir, Deepak sir that you gave away these awards. Thanks a lot. We will continue with the next program. So what all you want? You want inspiration from the stories that we are hearing, or you want to continue to see the fashion show? What is that you want? So I call upon my dear friend, so she'll continue the program ahead.
Check. Well, thank you so much. You've been very gracious and kind. Yes, we will be starting with the next round, the most awaited round for Mrs. Pune Pride 2021. Ladies, are you ready, ladies? Can I hear some noise? आवाज येत नाहीये. Ladies, are you ready? Audience, एक बार जोरदार तालियां होनी चाहिए. एकदा जोरदार टाळ्या वाजायला हव्यात. आजची स्त्री ही पूर्वीसारखी राहिलेली नाही आहे की एका हातात चूल आणि मूल ह्याच्यामध्ये अडकलेली नाहीये. विमेन एम्पॉवरमेंट बद्दल आज आपण इतकं काही बघतोय. आज इतक्या लेडीज आहेत आपल्यामध्ये ज्या एक्झाम्पल्स सेट करतायत, आणि आपल्या ह्या कंटेस्टंट्स ज्या आहेत मिसेस, ह्या एफिशियंटली घर, करिअर, मुलं सगळं सांभाळत आहेत. सो या फॅब्युलस आणि फॅन्टॅब्युलस लेडीजसाठी एकदा जोरदार टाळ्या होऊ देत. It takes a real big deal to manage everything so efficiently, and we all are very proud of you ladies. Can we have the music, please?
special, girl, I'm just your friend. I bet you can't recall my name. I think about you every day, 24/7, girl, in every way. Try to move on, but what can I say? No one else can take place. I done this when I should've done that. I try to be smart, but I want you so bad. You been you, but you never ever had. I just can't get enough. Just when it looks like I'm gonna get close, my lips smell soft and my words don't flow. I just can't wait till you're freaking me frequently, baby, cause I can't get enough. And now I'm choked up, like I was sleeping and should've woke up. I ain't gon' let it end like this. Word of mouth that you broke up. Don't wear it down, keep your hopes up. I'll be around and baby, you know what? I'm bringing what you can't resist. I try to be smart, but I want you so bad. Yeah, baby.
Hello. Well, what a fabulous round. What pretty ladies, you're looking amazing. बहुत खूबसूरत लग रही है सभी ladies. Let's give a very big round of applause, guys. एक बार जोरदार तालियां होनी चाहिए. They're carrying themselves with such grace. Wow, that is commendable. We are going to have the introductions, but before we have the introductions, let me tell you all the Mrs. Pune Pride 2021, the outfits have been designed by Ace by the style Sakshi Shah Gandhi. The Ace style by Sakshi Shah Gandhi. She's our designer for this round. Let's give a big round of applause to Sakshi. Sakshi, wherever you are, you've done a great job with the ladies. Also, our makeup partner for today's event for all the categories is by Rupita Salon and Institute. Let's give a big hand to her. She's made all these beautiful women a bit more beautiful is all I have to say. Every lady is beautiful in her own way. So she's made them more beautiful. They're looking stunning, ravishing. And let's now start with the introductions. Can we have the first contestant, please, for the introductions?
शिवाजी महाराजांच्या पदस्पर्शाने पावन झालेल्या या आपल्या पुण्यनगरीमध्ये हा आपला कार्यक्रम होत आहे. तर मी एक पुणेकर असल्यामुळे मी तुमच्याशी मराठीमध्ये संवाद साधत आहे. माझं नाव विद्या लक्ष्मण दातीर. मला 2 मुली आहेत आणि मी आत्ता सध्या योग शिक्षक म्हणून काम करते. मी माझ्या कधी भविष्यकाळाला मी माझ्या भूतकाळाला कधी वर्तमान काळामध्ये येऊन देत नाही. कारण जर माझा भूतकाळ जर वर्तमान काळामध्ये येत असेल तर तो अडचणीत येऊ शकतो. म्हणून तुम्ही पण तुमच्या वर्तमान काळाला भूतकाळाला तुमच्या वर्तमानमध्ये येऊ देऊ नका आणि भविष्यकाळ उज्ज्वल बनवा. धन्यवाद.
Thank you for those inspiring words. Can we have the next contestant?
Stand by, here we go again. Just a little bit, let me know again. Ain't nobody special, girl, I'm just your friend. Bet you can't recall my name. I think about you every day. 24/7, girl, in every way.
Ladies and gentlemen, good evening. My name is Neha Mahajan. I am from Pune. I have done my master's in forensic sciences from Mumbai University. Professionally, I am a teacher as well as a makeup artist. And finally, my age is 30. Yes, 30. You should not hide your age, ladies here. Basically, whenever someone you ask your age, you should tell proudly, yes, I am 30, I am 40. Because 30, 40 is not an age, it's just a number. If you want to do anything, just go for it. If you're passionate, ambitious, and confident, nobody can stop you. Trust me, guys, because at the end, success will definitely kiss your feet. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra.
Try to move on, but what can I say?
Well, yes, age is just a number, Mrs. Mahajan. Very well said.
But I want you so bad. You never knew what you never ever had. I just can't get enough.
लहरों से डर के नौका पार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की हार नहीं होती। नन्ही चींटी जब दाना लेके चलती है, चढ़ती दीवारों से 100 बार फिसलती है। कुछ किए बिना जय जयकार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की हार नहीं होती। हेलो एवरीवन, मेरा नाम सुरुचि है। मेरे नाम में ही मेरी पहचान छुपी है। मैं जो भी काम करती हूँ बड़े ही रुचि के साथ करती हूँ। पैशन एंड डेडिकेशन ये मेरे एटीट्यूड को डिफाइन करता है। मैं एक गृहिणी और प्राउड मम्मा हूँ। मुझे पहले से ही मॉडलिंग में इंटरेस्ट है, इसलिए मैं इसी में अपना करियर बनाना चाहती हूँ। पारिवारिक जिम्मेदारियों को संभालने के साथ साथ मैं अपना हर सपना पूरा करना चाहती हूँ। मेरा नाम मेरे काम से जाना जाए, यही मेरी तमन्ना है। वो कहते हैं ना, पाना हो जुकाम वो अभी बाकी है। अभी तो आए हैं ज़मीं पर, आसमान की उड़ान अभी बाकी है। अभी तो सुना है सिर्फ नाम, मेरी अभी पहचान बनाना बाकी है। थैंक यू सो मच।
Thank you so much. Can we have the next contestant on stage?
ज़िंदगी की असली उड़ान अभी बाकी है। ज़िंदगी के कई इम्तिहान अभी बाकी हैं। अभी तो ज़िंदगी की असली उड़ान अभी बाकी है। अभी तो बहुत दूर जाना है। मैं सपना अग्रवाल। नमस्कार एंड गुड इवनिंग एवरीवन। मैं सपना अग्रवाल चल पड़ी हूँ अपने सपनों को पूरा करने के लिए, ज़िंदगी के एक नए इम्तिहान की ओर। एक पत्नी हूँ, एक बेटी हूँ, एक माँ हूँ और अब फिर से छोटी बच्ची बन गई हूँ। कुछ नया सीखने के और कुछ नया करने की चाह में 2 बच्चों की माँ, MBA इन HR। खड़ी हूँ आपके समक्ष अपनी पहचान बनाने के लिए। कुछ सपने बंद आँखों से देखे जाते हैं। मेरा एक सपना है जिसे मैं खुली आँखों से पूरा करना चाहती हूँ। लड़कियों की तारीफ़ नहीं, सम्मान करें। सुरक्षा से पहले सुरक्षा का इंतज़ाम करें। धन्यवाद।
Thank you so much. And we also could have the next contestant on stage, please.
हेलो एवरीवन, गुड इवनिंग। मेरा नाम भारती अमराड़े है। मैं एक इंटीरियर डिज़ाइनर हूँ और मैं बिलीव करती हूँ जो भी सपना देखो उसे पूरा करो। फिर कोई भी सामने आए, कोई भी रीज़न आए, हर एक लड़की को फाइनेंशियली इंडिपेंडेंट होना चाहिए, इस थॉट पे बिलीव करती हूँ। थैंक यू।
Check. Thank you so much, ladies. Can we have the next contestant, please?
योग आहे आयुष्याची क्रांती। नियमित योग केल्यामुळे जीवनात येईल सुख शांती। नमस्कार, माझं नाव तृष्णा उमेश भोरे आहे। आम्हाला एक 11 वर्षाची मुलगी आहे। चहूबाजूंनी वेढलेल्या छत्रपती शिवरायांच्या गडांच्या अवतीभोवती पुणे शहरात मी राहते। माझं शिक्षण अमरावती युनिव्हर्सिटी येथे झालं आहे। सूर्योदय होताना ज्यावेळेस पहिली किरण माझ्या समोर येते त्यावेळेस मी योग करत असते आणि योग घेत असते। सर्वांनी योग करा। प्राणायाम, मेडिटेशन, ध्यान, धारणा, समाधी कुठे ना कुठे नक्कीच आपल्या आयुष्यात हे सगळे बदल झाले तर आपलं मन शांत राहील आणि मन शांत राहिलं तर नक्कीच आपल्या आयुष्याची गुरुकिल्ली आपल्या हातात राहील। धन्यवाद। थँक्यू।
अक्षय. Thank you so much, ladies. कशा होता या fabulous ladies? Beautiful, fabulous, confident, graceful. I don't have more adjectives या. एवढे सुंदर परफॉर्मन्सेस, इतके देखणे आउटफिट्स, इतकं जबरदस्त कॅरी केलंय सगळ्यांनी स्वतःला. आय एम व्हेरी प्राऊड ऑफ यू ऑल. कॉंग्रॅच्युलेशन्स टू ऑल द कॉन्टेस्टंट्स. यू हॅव मेड अस व्हेरी प्राऊड. मिसेस पुणे प्राईडच्या होत्या ह्या कंटेस्टंट्स अँड दे वॉज स्टाईल्ड by the Ace fashion designer, the Ace styled by Sakshi Shah Gandhi. Once again, let's give a big round of applause to the designer Sakshi Shah Gandhi and all the contestants from Mrs. Pune Pride 2021. एकदा जोरात टाळ्या व्हायला हव्यात. Also, our makeup partner for today is Rupita Salon and Institute. Fitness partner, Physics Gym by Sangram. And let's welcome the moment, the man whom we have been waiting for. Well, any guesses? सगळीकडे यांचाच बोलबाला आहे. यांनी एक खूप मोठा रियालिटी शो गाजवलेला आहे. I'm not that good at driving, but still. यांचा बोलबाला आहे. यांनी खूप मोठा रियालिटी शो गाजवलेला आहे. तुम्ही सगळे ओळखतात यांना. प्रत्येकाच्या घरात, प्रत्येकाच्या दिलात आणि प्रत्येकाच्या मनात असे बसलेले हे एकमेव असे सगळ्यांचे लाडके. कॅन वी प्लीज हॅव ऑन स्टेज वन अँड ओनली द बिग बॉस 3 कंटेस्टंट, बिग बॉस मराठी. आपला मराठी बिग बॉस आणि या बिग बॉस गाजवलेल्या आपल्या लाडक्या फेमस अँड एव्हरीबडीज फेवरेट अक्षय वाघमारे. कॅन वी हॅव अ बिग राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज? एकदा जोरदार टाळ्या व्हायला हव्यात अक्षयसाठी. अक्षय बद्दल वेगळं इंट्रोडक्शन द्यायची गरज नाही आहे. Akshay, can we please have you on stage? Everybody has been waiting for you. Thank you so much for coming and gracing this event.
Thank you so much. Thank you. सर्वप्रथम सर्वांना सॉरी कारण की यायला थोडा लेट झाला आणि ऑब्व्हियसली खूप मजा येते. मी आल्या पाहिलं की इतका उत्साह आणि इतकी मजा चालू आहे इकडे. आणि मी सुद्धा जेव्हा सुरुवात केली होती आयुष्याची, असेच मी इव्हेंट करायचो, मी मॉडेलिंग करायचो, मी ॲक्टिंग नंतर चालू केली. त्याच्यानंतर जेव्हा मी मॉडेलिंग सुरू केली, जेव्हा मी असे पॅजेंट्स करायचो, तिथून मला स्पार्क मिळाला की आयुष्यात पुढे काय करायचं किंवा काय तुमचं विजन असेल, तुमच्या स्वप्न कशी पूर्ण करायला हवीत किंवा तो मार्ग कसा तुम्हाला सापडेल, अशी प्रेरणा या अशा इव्हेंटमध्ये मिळते. आणि मला वाटतं की साहिल शाह आणि त्याच्या पूर्ण टीमनी खूप मेहनत घेऊन एक सुंदर इव्हेंट त्यांनी ऑर्गनाईज केला आहे. आणि आय मेट माय फ्रेंड गिरीश आफ्टर व्हेरी लॉंग टाईम. थँक्यू सो मच. आणि थँक्यू सो मच साहिल आणि एंटायर टीम की तुम्ही इथे खूप सुंदर इव्हेंट ऑर्गनाईज केला आणि इथे मला बोलवलं आहे.
थँक्यू सो मच.
आणि हळवेचे जे आम्ही आत्ता जस्ट अल्बम शूट केला त्याचं कोरिओग्राफी साहिलनी केली आहे.
साहिल सर प्लीज तुमच्यासाठी सुद्धा. साहिल सर, आय वुड प्लीज रिक्वेस्ट यू टू कम अप ऑन स्टेज टू फेलिसिटेट अक्षय. आणि अक्षय इथे आले आहात तुम्ही. हे मराठी क्राऊड आहे, आपलं लाडकं पुणेरी क्राऊड आहे आणि त्यांच्या बरोबर फेलिसिटेशन के बाद एक सेल्फी तो बनती है.
डेफिनेटली 100%.
Let's give a big round of applause for Akshay. Now, after this particular Mrs. Pune Pride 2021 award, we will be moving forward for the very special सबके नन्हे मुन्ने बच्चे लेकिन बहुत ही सच्चे. So let's welcome the kids for the Indian round on stage. Bachcho, can you make some noise? Hello.
Wait, dear.
Yes, that's what I like. That's what I love about kids. Their innocence, their energy, it is breathtaking. बच्चे भगवान का रूप होते हैं, but they are not just भगवान का रूप. They are like style icons themselves. Look at them. This kind of confidence at this age, man, you got to have guts.
So far from where I began, it's the sound of the waves, the breeze on the skin. Wish that I could be back in my homeland, singing da 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 da. Show me the road and I'll be right there. I'd do anything to feel the wind in my hair. I'd go far as it takes and I won't even care. I'll sing da 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 da.
लहान मुलांचा राऊंड आहे तर टाळ्या वाजायला हव्यात. लेट द म्युझिक प्ले, पण टाळ्या पण तेवढ्याच वाजायला हव्यात कारण की या लहान मुलांना आपणच सगळ्यात जास्ती इन्स्पायर करू शकतो. सो लेट्स कीप क्लॅपिंग फॉर दिस ब्युटिफुल किड्स.
Thank you. Boat sails on the river and ship sails on the sea. But clouds that sails across the sky are prettier than these. Hello everyone. My name is Mahima Shankar Jain. I am 8 years old. Today I am here to win the winner's crown. Because I am here to Paki Pari and queen of my mom. So I believe this crown is made for me. Thank you.
I've come so far from where I began.
Well, let's give a big round of applause for this sweet girl.
I could be back in my homeland, singing
absolutely stunning.
Show me the road and I'll be right there. I'd do anything to feel the wind in my hair. I'd go far as it takes and I won't even care.
Look at this gorgeous girl in red.
Thank you everyone. My name is Arohi Ganesh Harpade. I am 7 years old. I am in 2nd standard. My school name is Vibgyor. I am very bold, smart and beautiful girl. My hobbies are modeling, dancing, playing with my brother Ransh and watching cartoons. Thank you.
Let's have a big round of applause for this beautiful girl as well. तालियां बजती रहनी चाहिए.
Good evening everyone. My name is Shrisha Vinay Benke. I am 7 years old. I am in 2nd standard. My school name is HDFC School. My hobbies are dancing and modeling. Thank you.
My head, I go far as it takes, and I won't even care. I'll sing with this.
a sweet girl as well? Oh, look at that diva. Let's give a big round of applause for her as well.
Hello everyone, my name is Zaina Saha. I am 7 years old. My hobbies are to dance. I am here to participate in Miss and Missy competition.
Well, that was a very pretty performance. Thank you so much. Can we have the next contestant on stage, please?
It's been 10 years, but I spent each day.
Oh, this is no Western.
What if I stay?
What an amazing outfit, Srishti.
So calling me away. I'll sing it fills my heart like.
Thank you. Good evening, everyone. Elegance is the only beauty that never fades. My name is Dishita, pursuing my studies in Standard 6th. My hobbies are dancing, singing, and being creative. My message to the world is to focus more on women empowerment, educating and making them capable enough to earn for their living. I am really thankful for getting this wonderful opportunity to present myself on this event. And remember, you never fail until you stop trying. Thank you.
Like no other song can. It's the sound of the rays, the boats leave the land. Take me back to the waters of my homeland. We'll sing.
Well, very well said. And now, turn for the Master Pune Pride 2021. These handsome hunks, even if little, they are no less than any supermodel. Let's give a big hand of applause for Master Pune Pride 2021 contestants, guys.
छत्रपतींचा मर्दमावळा पुण्याचा मी वाघ थोपटे सरनोबतांचा आहे मी वंशज वीर धवल माझे नाव तुम्हा सर्वांना नमस्कार केला करून सिपाचा रॅम्प वॉक धन्यवाद
उखाणा घेतला त्याने जबरदस्त एकदम आपण जरा 2 मिनिटं आपल्या हे